What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's the day that I am gonna put the wheels on the GTR. I have tires on the wheels already. I went with HANKOOK just because this will be my third set and I really like these tires. So you guys ready? Check out this meat, super sticky. I have them on the S2K and I might get them on the Evo too. So I'm really excited to put these wheels on and to see how the car is going to look. So before taking off the R33 wheels, let's take one more look and see how they look on the car. Not bad. I'm kind of nervous right now because I haven't test fit the wheels in the front of the car, and if you can see, I have those Brembo's brake calipers, which are a lot bigger than the ones in the rear. The rear clear perfectly, but these are already like super close to the wheels on right now. So we'll see if they fit. If not, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, so it looks like it's gonna fit. I just got the wheel on and it's super close to the caliper, but it clears. Check it out. That's some crazy fitment right there. Alright, I'm gonna tighten down the wheel and I'll drop the car to see how it looks.
Next day.
Alright, you guys, I made it to the spot. I always come here just to chill and relax. But the wheels are on and the car looks great. Let me show you guys. This is exactly how I imagined this car. I think it was a few years ago where I said that I was about to sell my car and I would do almost anything. I'd work my ass off, I'd sell my cars just to get this car. But anyways, this is exactly how I imagined it, and these are the wheels that I wanted on the car. I still got a lot more to do to it, but for now I am very happy with the way it turned out. pretty happy with the price that I paid for them. I was really scared that the front wheels weren't gonna clear the front caliper, but they do. Super clean. I'm loving the tires, and I'm glad I put the spoiler on. It really completes the look of the car of how I imagined it. She's a little dirty, but it's okay. I don't drive her off that often. I just want to take a quick moment to kind of just remind myself and tell all of you guys, and I'll tell all my buddies, that when you want something, you really got to work for it. You got to set that goal and do whatever it takes to accomplish it. Everybody wants something, but not everybody has a goal. Having a goal means having to work hard every day, whether it's like, I don't know, you're on a diet, or you're saving up for something, or you're I don't know, just, you know, trying to accomplish something. And this is something that you have to keep doing for a while, not just, you know, a year or two. It just depends on what you want, what your goal is. And my goal was to get this car. I think I've had the Evo for 2 years when I was at a buddy's house and we had all of our cars parked outside, and he had a 240 SX at the time. And I remember saying that one day I was gonna have a Skyline and we were gonna have it parked outside. You know, we were gonna have our cars all lined up and it was gonna be sweet. Ever since back in the days, I remember saying I wanted this car and that I was gonna have one day. And slowly I'm gonna add the little stuff that I want on the car, just the way that I visioned it. I'm gonna head out. But I really hope you guys like the wheels, because I love them and they really look great on the car. Well guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see. I got some funny stuff coming up in the future, so stay tuned, and I'll see you guys on the next video.